Hey guys, in this tutorial, I will show you how to create a Django project. I have already created a virtual environment. If you don't know how to create one, I highly recommend you to learn it first and then come back. The link to the tutorial is in the description. So let's get started. First, let's install Django in our environment using the command pip install Django. Press enter. It will take some time. Now, let's create a Django project using the command django-admin start project and the name of our project. I will use name as test underscore project. Press enter and a Django project is created. Now, let's check if everything is working. Change directory to project we just created using the command cd and the name of our project. Press enter. Now run the server using command python manage.py run server. Press enter. So a server has started. Let's open this link. So a project has been created successfully. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and comment on this video. Subscribe to our channel for more such content. Thank you.